Hi everyone, I'm Sebastian Nino Sanyosa from Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, major in Infotech. And in this video, I'll be talking about the nature, background, and history of Arnis and timeline on the history of the sports Arnis in the Philippines. Nature of Arnis. Arnis is a combat sport to defend oneself from attacks. It is a martial art characterized by the use of swinging and twirling movement, accompanied by striking, thrusting, and parrying techniques for defense and offense. Background of Arnis. The Arnis is made by the indigenous people in the Philippines, which is they made an improvised weapon and alternative weapon to make a defense against from enemies and protect the Philippines and to win in the time of battling to save our country. History of Arnis. Filipino Kali is the art of stick fighting using hard bamboo sticks to strike and defend. Filipino Kali teaches weapons fighting before bare hand-to-hand combat. Kali is an ancient term used to signify martial arts in the region of the Philippines. The Spaniards called the art eskrima or arnis. In 200 BC, the first weapon recognized by the Filipinos was sticks and arrows and bows for combat. Filipinos started to use the long blade not just for farming tools but also for combat as well. And this bladed weapon is known as the kalis or kali. In 1521, during the landing of Ferdinand Magellan in Cebu, the greatest Kali warrior of the time, Raja Chief Lapu-Lapu, displayed the true effectiveness of Kali when he struck down Magellan with two fatal blows, one to the knee and one to the neck, warding off the impending Spanish invasion. So, in 1521, this is when they discovered and knew the true effectiveness of Kali and how it is useful for combat. In 1564, the Spanish soldiers were amazed because they saw the Filipinos practice stick fighting, which is the arnis, similar to the English form of sword and dagger. In 1764, in the early years, eskrima was well regarded by the Spaniards. But by 1596, it was banned as it was thought to be too dangerous. By 1764, the practice was entirely forbidden. In 1873, the fighting system was renamed arnis, derived from the word arnes, which means colorful trapping on defensive armors used on the Moro-Moro place. On August 20, 1986, the organization was formally recognized as Arnis Philippines Incorporated. The objectives were to be a major force in preserving our culture and the dying art of Arnis to consolidate and unite the different functions and groups of Arnis aficionados. What 1986 wants to tell us is, the sport aspect of Arnis is the hope of its inclusion in major sports events like the Southeast Asian Games, and ultimately the Olympic Games. In 1969, the arnis was first introduced to some public and private school teachers. Even today, they continue to teach the use of arnis, which is now called the modern arnis. When arnis began to recognize in the Philippines, it was given a law, which is the Republic Act 9850, that was signed by Gloria Macapagal Arroyo on December 11, 2009, and the sport arnis is now called the Philippine National Martial Art and Sport.